You can get paid $85,000 per year just to learn AI. Yes, you heard that right. Even if you're a complete beginner with no AI experience, you can literally make $85,000 per year to learn how to use it. So listen up, because by the end of the video, you're going to have the link to apply to this program, and you're also going to learn how you can get started, what is all included, and how you can learn AI for free and prepare yourself before you get into this program. I'm Nico Moreno, and I've personally built over a $3 million income stream using AI and automation, and I'm here to teach you what I learned. So if you want to learn how to get ready for this paid fellowship program, you can go ahead and join my free AI Skool community down below. The link is in the description, and as I promised, the link to apply for this paid fellowship program is also going to be down in the description too. So hit both links and let's get started. So before we dive into the video, you might be wondering, like, okay, what is this all about and who is this by? Well, I know it sounds too good to be true, but Anthropic, which is the company that created Claude, and if you haven't heard of Claude, you might be living under a rock, but Claude is one of the most popular AI tools that has tons of capabilities, so many that we can't even go over all of them in the video. But Anthropic is the company that built and created Claude. Now, they have started a fellowship program that is basically paying you, yes, paying you $85,000 per year, which comes out to $7,000 per month, give or take a little bit, just to learn and work in AI. And no, I'm not talking about someone who has like a senior, a PhD or is a senior AI engineer or anything like that. Nope. This is a paid fellowship program designed for complete beginners, just like you, to get into AI safely and do research for basically causes for good and for charitable organizations. I'm going to show you some examples of those too. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, the compensation actually works out to around $7,000 per month over the 12-month paid fellowship program. So yes, you get paid to learn how to be an AI expert. How cool is that? Right? And then you can go and make a ton of money like using the AI that you've learned. And it's not just the salary, all right? There's a ton of incredible benefits. You will also get medical, dental, vision insurance, 401k, retirement plan, paid holidays, and flexible PTO, life and disability insurance, and additional benefits too. And once you get the actual offer to join this program, all details will be shared with you. But if you think about this, I mean, this is for someone specifically who doesn't have experience in AI. So they're actually wanting to train you in the real world to use AI the right way. And they're willing to pay you a pretty hefty salary to do it. All right, so stick with me through the video. I'm going to walk you through exactly what is included, what isn't included, who should do this, who should not do this. And again, if you want to learn some AI before you apply to this program, because you do have to actually apply, then go ahead and join my free Skool community where I teach everything that I've learned to build successful businesses using AI and automations. So naturally, again, your big questions are probably like, who can apply, who can actually apply? And do I need to know how to code, or do I need any like AI background experience? What exactly do they expect me to do like during this 12-month program? Like, what am I going to be spending my time doing? And most importantly, how realistic is it for a normal person with no AI experience to actually get accepted? So in this video, I'm going to break down the program, who it's for, and exactly how I would position myself if I were going to apply. So first things first, let me just go over, and by the way, like I said, I'm going to put the links to this down below, but let me just go ahead and pull up, actually, let me go here to Claude Core. So basically, what is this all about first? All right, well, Anthropic is the company, or as you can see right here, Anthropic is the company that actually has created Claude. They're one of the leading AI companies in the entire world, and they're competing for the frontier of artificial intelligence. So basically, what this fellowship is all about is it's kind of promoting Anthropic's mission, which is really the goal to use AI for good and to reshape society for good, right? So Anthropic really wants to expand the pool of people who are working in important areas in AI, right? So you can actually read a little bit about their mission, but you can see Claude Core, which is basically the sub-organization that is offering this fellowship. It's bringing in early career talent and mission-driven organizations together to put AI to work where it matters most. All right, so they're really about like creating real change in the world in areas that they deem are very important. All right, so right here you can see like it says what we're building with Claude Code, or excuse me, with Claude Core. And you'll see right here, first and foremost, the organizations that people are going to be working on in this fellowship program are organizations that are generally like sort of a charitable organization or they have a big impact on the world. So it's not necessarily like, high-tech startups or anything like that. So ideally, if you're going to apply to this program, you're someone who at least has an interest in working for a charitable organization or some sort of a cause that makes a real impact on the world or, or people, right? So this comes from like conservation groups to museums, different things like that. And it's generally places that, like it says right here, lack the resources to do so on their own, right? So Claude Core is training early career talent. And again, I'm going to explain who this means, but really they want people who have like less than 2 years of work experience. So this is like brand new beginner start of your career. They're looking for you, all right? To build AI tools and systems that extend the mission of organizations doing some of the world's most important work. All right, so we're going to click on this Prospective Fellows. Oops, did not mean to open that in a new tab. Open that in a new tab. But let me show you really quickly kind of how the program works. The first stage is you apply. And right here, applications are open to anyone over the age of 18 with under 2 years of full-time work experience. So there's no education requirement. Literally, you could have just gotten out of high school. You could have maybe not even gone to high school and you can still apply. All right, fellows are selected based on their experience with AI, their communication skills, and motivation to work on societal challenges. All right, so you have to be motivated and interested in working on the kinds of projects and companies that are working with Claude Fellows. So then the second phase is a match, like an interview, basically. So basically what this is once you actually go through the interview process, you will be matched with an organization based on the fit of the project that they're offering and the fit of like your background, your interests, your goals. Also geographically, like if you live close to that location, that's a plus too. And of course, there's got to be some mutual interest. And then finally, you build, like you get started. This is a full year program. Again, you'll be making $7,000 per month, which is, honestly, that's more than my first salary that I ever made when I started after college. So, and you don't even need college for this, right? So this is a very, very good opportunity and you'll be working for a full 12 months with this company that you get matched with. So let me show you, before we answer some like FAQ and I tell you a little bit more about the program and the application process and how to get prepared if you want to do this. Let me show you like a couple of the examples of companies that you could be able to work with. So Braven, and again, you can actually click on these and get to know a little bit more about each company. So I'm not going to go through all the details of that actually, but you can find the website, you can scroll this page, read through every single one if you want to, but just some examples like Code for America, Code the Dream, Goodwill Industries, so like, Goodwill, a county food bank right here. So these are all like kind of, charitable projects that maybe lack the financial resources to really get, to get a senior AI engineer or anything like that. And, YMCA, things like that. So those are the types of companies. And again, you can scroll and see like, see more about that. But basically, let me go ahead and show you, oops, let me move this out of the way. Let me go ahead and show you like how it works to actually apply and become a fellow. So again, I'll put the link to this down below, but right here, this is a prospective fellow. So if you are someone who is like, potentially interested in doing this fellowship program. That's what it's called. It's called a fellowship. So it's not technically called a job. It's called a fellowship because it has a defined start and end period. This is specifically for 12 months. All right. And basically, again, they summarize their goal right here. You're going to be helping mission-driven organizations put AI to work for good. That's what this is all about. All right. So if you're someone who really doesn't care about that, honestly, it's going to be a bad fit for you. It's going to feel like a drag for a whole year. So I would say, if that's not you, that's okay, but it's probably not the right fit. So you can go learn AI with me in my free Skool group, and you can learn other ways to make money with AI, of which there are plenty. But let's just read the little description right here, and then we're going to talk about common questions and misconceptions about this, and then how to actually go ahead and apply. So Claude Core is a fully funded 12-month paid fellowship program that places early career talent inside mission-driven nonprofits. And again, if you're over the age of 18 with less than 2 years of full-time work experience, and you are authorized to work in the United States, so unfortunately, if you're outside of the US, this program is not available. But if you meet all those requirements, then you can go ahead and apply. All right, so they're looking for people who are like fast learners, who are at least comfortable with AI tools. You don't have to be an expert. That's the whole point of this, is that you're not an expert. But you also are, you work well with other people. Like ideally, you're not someone who just wants to sit in your basement alone all day and every day. And then, communication skills are important too. So again, if you want to learn a little bit about the details, they have a ton more. They have a ton of, FAQ right here. But let's talk about the stuff that, like, the good stuff. Like if you're wondering, like, okay, what does this mean for me? Like pay, benefits, details of the actual program. Like, how do I apply and get started? Well, first you got to figure out if you're eligible. It's those same three criteria, or same four criteria that we talked about before. So age and experience. You're 18 years or older with under 2 years of full-time work experience. You can work, or you're authorized to work in the US. You don't have a degree, or you don't need a degree, right? You've never written code. That's totally fine. And you're also willing to relocate. So ideally it's close by, but it may not be close by to where you live. So you got to be okay with that. All right, now the application and selection process is you can apply right here, starting in August 2027. So as of the time of this recording of this video, there are still space to apply. So again, I'll put the link down right there, and we can check this out too. So basically, it's going to be let's see here. Like, it's a pretty straightforward application. It says a short form about you, 2 Anthropic courses on AI fluency and Claude, and then 2 short answer questions. So that's really straightforward. Like, honestly, if you want to make money and you meet the requirements and you don't apply for this, like, I think you're kind of crazy. All right, this is such a good opportunity. Unfortunately, I have more than 2 years of working experience. But yeah, this is like very, very straightforward to apply. And yeah, like what happens after the fellowship? So you have an on-ramp to build your career. Like you have some really cool, incredible experience. You've also built a strong network of people like who are also doing this. You're also, you've built real skills of using AI in the real world, which, at this point, 99.9% of people cannot say that. So you're very well positioned to either go down kind of like a more corporate traditional path, like working for a company and helping them use AI, or you could also start your own thing. You could start your own nonprofit, you could start your own business, you could start your own company. Like the sky's really the limit. All right. So that's why I just think that this is so cool. And I think that if you're watching this video and you've made it this far in the video, like you really should apply. There's no reason not to, honestly. So how do applicants apply? Basically, all you have to do is just click this link, which I opened right there, and I'll put it down below in the description. And yeah, application deadlines. So it sounds like they kind of are just going to have a couple different cohorts, and they're rolling cohorts. So if you're watching this right now, I would just do it right now. In the future, again, it's looking like they're just going to kind of have rolling cohorts, going on in the future. So, I don't know. I don't see any reason why they would stop doing this because they're such an extremely profitable company. It's crazy. They have a ton of money to, throw at people. So I would say maybe once their goals or their vision changes. But as for right now, go ahead and do it fast. And then finally, again, there's a bunch more questions right here. I'm not going to go through every single one because it's kind of a lot. But I think most important question that people, if you clicked on this video in the first place, you are probably wondering about the money. And yes, it says right here, you will be able to make $85,000 per year, which is paid twice a month. So it'll be broken up into roughly 7K a month. And so you'll get like $3,500 paychecks every 2 weeks or so. And then you got all these other incredible benefits, which are, again, super, super cool for someone who doesn't have, any background experience, any knowledge, and maybe like very little work experience too. I mean, these are really good, legitimate benefits. Having a 401k, paid holidays, medical, dental, and vision insurance, that's expensive. So this is a really, really great opportunity. I'm super excited to just show this to you guys. And yeah, let's actually click. Oh, this is weird. Okay, so the link right there, which link did I click? So says more application. All right, yeah, applications are rolling. They said they're going to reopen applications. Okay, starting in August 2027 and in September 20. Oh, excuse me, in September 26. Okay, so you do have a little bit more. Got it. Okay, so you've got a little bit more time. You got about 3 weeks to learn AI, and then you can apply it. It says that applications are going to reopen. Sorry, I misread that. They're going to reopen in September 2026. All right. So right now, as of the filming of this video, is about halfway through August. So you got 2 or 3 weeks to prep yourself to learn AI, get the basics down before you can actually submit an application, and then it's going to open back up. So if you want to do that with me, highly recommend that you just go ahead and join my Skool group down below, where I'm going to be teaching all the stuff that I know about AI and about automation. And that way you can just get prepared for this. And then when it opens up in a couple weeks, you'll be able to submit your application. And hey, I can't make any guarantees, but I think that you've got as good a chance as any if you take this seriously. And if you really express your interest, and if you at least have the basics down of what is Claude? What are some of the basic functionalities that I can do with it? And stuff like that. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for the next one. And again, I'll see you in the Skool group so that you can get prepared and you can put your best foot forward when applying for this paid lucrative fellowship.